Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Lyscunningham. This is Bubba. This is the one I always talk about that is in the Marines. He is being featured in this video today. We're doing a sibling tag slash drinking questionnaire kind of thing. We're already kind of both a little tipsy, but we are working with Jack Daniels and Chardonnay, which is out of a mug. So we're gonna get this show on the road.
Wait, what?
So basically,
oh, I was wondering why I look like that.
So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So you can start with
icebreakers.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bubba has the questions. So.
Alright, so I'm reading first. First question is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So wait. So basically, if you don't answer the question, you drink your drink, or you can answer it, and if you choose not to, then you drink your drink. That's the rule of the game.
Alright. Okay, this is like weird. I'm gonna have to change the back.
It's some of it is weird because it's like friends.
Like group. It's like groupie kind of thing. You ever cheated on someone?
Yes, I have.
Oh man, why? Face ass. You just swiped it.
Have you ever done anything illegal?
Yes. Do I have to explain?
What?
Oh Jesus.
What have you done illegal?
Yeah,
If it's
I'm in the military, you know. I don't know if I can say, but I've done a couple things back in the day. I'm saying. Let's just say I was riding a motorcycle and
Oh yeah.
you know, just went a little fast and some lights were behind me, and yeah. That's all I gotta
Bubba,
say about that.
Bubba did something illegal.
Oh Jesus.
The answer is yes.
Have you ever said the wrong name in bed? Yikes.
No.
Yeah, that would suck.
No. Never. Which other player is the least likely to become president? Me.
Yeah,
Definitely not
I could
him.
go- Yeah. You know, I don't know.
Between us two, Bubba would definitely become president before me in a heartbeat because, yeah, Bubba's way smarter than I am.
I don't know much about politics, but you know.
Yeah.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, I already know the answer to this. How good looking do you think you are?
Wow, you said. I'm gonna choose not to answer. I'm gonna choose to drink.
Bruh. I think you just chose to drink just to drink.
Yeah.
That's like easy, like you obviously are 10, like that's what you're gonna say.
What's the most annoying thing about me?
Every time I'm on FaceTime when I'm back at base or whatever, every time I call you, you come in the camera mad close and you just make a face and you just stare and you're waiting for somebody to say something. So I'm just gonna be like ew and you start laughing. It's so dumb.
I do that all the time. Usually, like anybody that I FaceTime, I'm always like that.
Have you ever, oh, I think I know the answer to this. Have you ever faked someone's signature?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I used to fake my mom's in school when I got in trouble for a report card or what else was it? Progress reports. You had to have your parents' signature. What thing about you would be most disappointing for your parents to find out? Our parents.
Probably that cop thing. Because everything else I think I told.
I think we can both answer this.
What? Okay, what would you say?
I mean, I'm trying to think. Most disappointing probably would be how I'm not coordinated with my money, for a better word. Like stable. Like I don't save my money very well. And my dad would be pissed about that probably.
Like that.
But yeah, I feel like he would. I always dreamt of like if he was still here that he would give us money if we needed it.
Low-key.
Because my dad made a lot of money doing HVAC.
And I wouldn't need a motorcycle because you would have one for me.
Yeah,
you know
and he'd let you ride it whenever you freaking wanted.
Heck yeah. Okay. What's the thing you find most attractive about men?
Oh, I have two, but between the two, muscles. I was gonna say muscles or tattoos, but definitely muscles because you can have tattoos and be fucking frail. So I would definitely say muscles before tattoos. Because you can always have muscles and get tattoos.
Bruh, that's a face ass, but alright. Anyway.
Have you ever disliked any of my ex?
Yeah, I didn't really like Reggie. Because he put that shit in my drink when I was younger. Remember you guys put hot sauce, pepper, salt.
God, when we went out to eat.
Yes, I remember that. I was thirsty too.
I forgot about that. What did you do?
I drank it and I was like, what the? And I don't think mom was paying attention, but yeah, I didn't like that.
Reggie was
mad.
my ex, Reginald Washington, was very immature. I would say that, like, for sure.
It'd be like that though.
Yeah.
What's your guiltiest pleasure? I don't even know what that means.
I would say just say chocolate, for the sake of the video. Chocolate. Which player has the lowest standard when it comes to partners?
You'd probably say me, but I don't know.
I'm like very shallow. Like I'm very shallow. I feel like I need like this, and this as qualities in a person where like they only have like the 3 over here that I don't even want. So it's like I like this person because they have muscles, not because they actually have a kind heart, which is really messed up. But I don't know. I'm not high maintenance. I don't have high standards. I have like high qualifications. There's a difference, folks. You answer that. Well, he already took a drink, but he can still answer.
What was the question? Lowest standards? Nah, I mean, I wouldn't consider them low. But, I don't know, I do like certain types, like very, very particular. Hard to type is, I mean, hard to get is definitely like the biggest. Like if you're easy, then I'm just gonna like, I don't know, I'm gonna let you be my phone, which is kind of petty. Yeah. But then like when you're hard to get, there's something to work for, that's, I mean, that's where it usually becomes hard. Yeah. Got left, so I don't want a girlfriend right now. What physical feature do you get complimented on the most? You. It's like hard to think about. Sometimes they talk about my eyebrows, or... Really? Yeah, it's weird. Or I guess because I'm tall or big. I don't know. I don't remember. I would say hair and teeth, because I have straight teeth. And like, usually when I tan, I have like really white teeth. Oh, this is a good one. If someone offered you $1 million to stop talking to me forever, would you do it? To stop talking to you forever? Yeah. You? That's a good question, yeah. Shit, that's a lot of money. I would take it. I'm not gonna lie. For real? I don't know. That's a lot of money though. But you could... $1 million to stop talking to my sibling? That's hard. That's a good question. I will, oh. Yeah, that's hard. What if I ask for half? Nigga, what? Take a drink. What if I'm like... Oh, you said you would say yes? I don't know. It depends on... I don't know. That's a lot of money. You can do a lot for a lot. Just think about it. Just because I don't talk to you doesn't mean I can't send you money. That's what I was thinking. Because like, what if you just made $1 million and was like, all right, here you go. Yeah. But I mean, I guess it's still a form of contact. But I would send you the money and then just like disappear. Yeah, but I say, you know what would happen is I would take the $1 million, not talk to Bubba. Oh wait, no, that wouldn't work because forever. I thought it would be an X amount of time. Never mind, scratch that. Oh, I see. What was the last thing you cried over? Boot camp. No. Oh, you know what that is? Yeah, I cried in boot camp. I cried once because I had a really, really, really bad headache. And I wasn't screaming for my life. And Joe started to flare. I was like, oh, you don't want to scream. Go ahead and strip. And I was like, hi, sir. Took my junk off. Went to that front quarter deck and he started ITing me. And he's like, oh, you really don't want to scream. Great, push. And man, I tell you, I screamed. And then like, at the end of the session, I didn't even have a headache. But I had some tears coming out. And then my senior drill instructor came out and was like, why aren't you screaming? This recruit has a headache, sir. And he's like, you don't think we have headaches? And then I was like, man, I don't want to care about job. Yeah, but it doesn't cry that much. But I think usually for you and even for dad, you guys have the same like quality. It's like, it takes a lot to make Bubba cry unless it's like super intense. Because I haven't seen you cry since way before you went to boot camp. Yeah, okay, but the time before that was Jasmine. I cried over her. Like, oh, I didn't see that though. Yeah. I didn't witness it. Mom did. Heard I was heard about it. Dang, I was stupid. But yeah, she's irrelevant. And if you're watching, you're irrelevant. Who in the group do you think could get away with murder? Ooh, I feel like you would not. I would not. You are stupid. You like hide the murder weapon under a drawer. Like literally, yeah. I would not know. I would say if I like tried, I would try to burn something, but I don't know because there's still like follicles of like hair that can be found. And I know that from like crime scene investigation shows. Fucking NCIS and shit. Yeah. And like nail stuff. Like you can find a lot of DNA in the ground or in the dirt. But my stupid self would probably be like, put a bag in my closet, the person's body. Well, yeah. What would you do? I think, you know what's weird is like, they say like how the government listens to you and stuff. And how like, what if you type in like, if you type in how to make a bomb, the government will come to your door, or like the police will come. Yes, I heard that. Like, how can I kill somebody without getting away with it? And like the government will start watching you. Like, the way it works is like if someone like looks up like terrorist groups and stuff, like the Pentagon and like fucking NCIS and all that shit, like they will start looking into you. Like they'll just keep you on like a watch. Like there was this kid I saw on YouTube. I was watching this story, and this kid was like planning on joining ISIS, and he was about to go like board a flight to go over there. And they got stopped and arrested and shit. Because they're watching, man. Yeah, scary. They, like, hone in on like key things and scheisse. What's the first thing that you would do if you could become invisible? What would be the first thing I'd do? Yeah. Damn, I don't know. I feel like I would take advantage of the power. Yeah, same. I'd be invisible all the time. Hell yeah. I would definitely watch people. That's weird. I would definitely watch my friends. People, yeah, would do what they see what they do on their own. Like, yeah. When I'm not there, like just what they do by themselves. Yeah. And then I'd definitely rob a bank for sure. I mean, everybody would rob a bank, I think. So
Yeah, that was kind of a good question too. I don't really know, but I would definitely watch my friends. All right, guys, switching over to like an actual sibling tag. Who is the older / younger? So just to pause right here, there's 4 of us, but I'm like the middle child and he is like the baby of the family. So we're all 4 years apart and we're like the closest between all 4 of us, which hopefully I'll be making a video with all of us, but I don't know what that's gonna be yet. So stay tuned for that. Or good, just find.
What was the last text you're checking right now?
Last text of Bubba's.
Nah, I might just wait. That's because you wanted to freaking get the Pro Max.
Oh yeah.
Like me.
I tried to get
Pro Max.
That was.
You know what I'm saying? It's not even.
What do you and your sibling have in common? That's actually a good question. Yeah, we think the same things are funny. We know the same vines and like memes and stuff. I think that and we always talk about like what we did, like in past relationships or past like any encounters with like the opposite sex that's not our boyfriends or girlfriends, things like that. I think that's why we get along the most, because we have that in common.
Yeah.
And
we don't snitch.
I like would take
actually,
yeah.
No, you definitely snitch on me. You snitch on me a lot. Whenever I do something, like freaking when I rode my motorcycle without even freaking like having my license at the time.
The snitching sibling is the one that cares about you the most. We also
I didn't snitch on anybody, man. I kept it real.
Are kind of closer in age than the other 2. I think
no, we're 3 years apart.
We're all well, yeah, but I'm saying meaning like we were the last ones to leave the house, kind of thing.
Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. How often do we argue? A lot.
I don't think so.
I think we do. I mean, because you get mad really quick. Whenever I have like, what are you doing? Like, mind your business or some junk. Like, freaking, dude, I always think about when that one night when you came downstairs, I was like, why do you always wear your hat like that? And you're like, what are you talking about? And your hat was freaking like down here and you're looking up because you can't see anything. And then, mom was like, mom got involved and we're like, what are you doing? It's not even that deep.
Yes.
Like, what?
I would say the only time we argue is like when we're around each other a lot.
Yeah, it's petty stuff though.
Yeah, it's like little stuff that like is really irrelevant. Who keeps their room / home cleaner? I do.
Yeah, probably.
Because Bubba doesn't really have a room. He has a, what is it called? A bunk.
Well, yeah, I'm at rack.
I'm sure he keeps it organized,
Suave.
but mine's probably more
Suave
organized.
Right now. Wick. Trying to get to bitter. What do you talk about the most?
What do we talk about the most?
You talk about like yoga.
I talk about yoga and I would say, yes, money, yoga, and like anything related to yoga. Literally.
And like random ass facts. Like, did you know?
Yeah.
Space is really open?
Usually
like,
when
weird shit.
Usually when I'm like tipsy, yeah, I talk about like random stuff.
There you go.
What is one thing that you can do that your sibling cannot?
Pull-ups.
Yep, that's a good one. I can't do a pull-up and a push-up. But I can do a girly version of a push-up.
I can ride a motorcycle, you can't ride one. I don't know. I don't think you know.
Yeah. Bubba has his license in motorcycling, I don't. Right. But I can do yoga and Bubba can't. At least he doesn't think he can, but he can.
My back hurts too much. What is the funniest childhood memory?
Ooh.
I think one of them would be we watched that Hagachi, and we were in your bed all night just dying.
Yeah.
This is like, before Vine though. This is way back.
Yeah, I don't remember what they were called.
It was on YouTube. It was just it was a random ass YouTube video.
And I remember like anything that happened in my dad's Dodge Ram truck was so funny. Like all of us would be in there, and we would just like die laughing all the time over stupid stuff. Whether it was like because of my sister or my older brother, like everyone was doing something stupid. I remember when Zachary used to like take the pillow and kick the crap out of us.
Yeah, he would make us get to a corner and be like, "Let's go, up next." Or we would throw Legos, the big block Legos, and it would hit like an ankle or elbow and those bone pieces.
Yeah, they hurt.
And you hear that clink, you're like, ah!
Who is more athletic? Honestly, pause. I would say we're kind of equally the same, but Bubba is definitely more because he's way more in shape than I am.
Sort of, you know. Just him and that.
Yeah.
Depends on what it is. Stretching and stuff, I guess I don't know if that considered fit. You know, I'm not really good at stretching.
Bubba's runs.
Yeah, I'm like a runner, even though I haven't ran forever. I mean, fat, because friggin' all we do is shoot and hike and it's stupid.
Yeah.
But yeah, I could definitely do more pull-ups, push-ups, probably sit-ups, run faster.
That concludes this video, guys, because my camera's about to die. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and the next video will be all of us together on Christmas.
Freaking raw,
So stay tuned for that. This is going up tonight. Thanks for joining us this video, guys. Bye! Oh, fuck.